It's Wednesday morning, the 21st of July, and I just got out of my American Airlines swing trade, stock ticker AAL. You can see here that I played the gapping pattern off of this green daily, covering around $2,200. Not too bad. So let's recap this trade. So besides American Airlines, I also recommended Apple and Tesla for a swing trade yesterday. The Nasdaq didn't do too well this morning like the Dow Jones did, so American Airlines did do better than those two. So looking back at this swing trade, showing you exactly my entry and exit here. Fortunately yesterday, I accidentally waited too long and actually had to buy it in the aftermarket, my American Airlines entry. And I got in at 21.62. A little bit expensive of an entry, but I still thought it was worth it to enter, a little bit overpriced. And this morning at 7 a.m., I waited to see if it was going to hold and break 21. It didn't. It pulled back, and I just decided to get out at 20.84. I covered about, we'll call it 1.1% profit. Not too bad. The stock did sell off tremendously. Now it's back up, but I don't know if I would have been able to withstand the sell-off. I likely would have sold it for a smaller profit, so I am happy I sold it early. Going back to the daily of American Airlines, why I thought this was a good swing trade. I mean, you can see here that the last green daily we had, which was Monday, it gapped really well. We got this gap on Tuesday and it climbed big. I felt pretty good about that, even though in the past we have seen some sell-offs on American Airlines off of these green dailies. These fails haven't been too bad. They've been between 0.5 and 1% risk, so I thought it was worth the risk, even though it was a little bit high. Still ended up working pretty well. And also, if you look at the indexes here yesterday, they helped me a lot to decide to go with the Dow Jones, just because you can see that the Dow Jones yesterday was up 1.7% about. Not too bad. While the S&P was up about 1.4, 1.5, and the Nasdaq was up about 1.2, a little less. So the Dow Jones was clearly leading the market yesterday. That's why I decided to go with Dow Jones associated stocks like American Airlines. So I ended up working pretty well. If you look at my heat map of all the stocks I swing trade, you can see that, yes, everything was pretty much in the green, except if you look closely, you can see that industrials were up a lot more than infotech, same with finance. So because of that, I thought the Dow Jones was going to do better this morning. Looks like I was right and covered some good profit on American Airlines. So if you guys like these swing trades and you want to learn how to do them, just check out my swing trading tutorial at the end of this video. Also, make sure you join our Discord server, Sleep Easy Trades. Here's where I share the top 3 stocks to swing trade 15 minutes before the market closes. You can also ask us any questions about swing trading on here. You can find the Discord server link in the description below.